Introducing the Royal 17104P Classic Manual Typewriter in sleek black, crafted with precision. This typewriter boasts a robust metal housing that ensures durability while delivering an authentic typing experience. With its generous 11-inch width and 44 keys, 88 characters, it offers ample space for expansive typing without compromise. The innovative spacebar features a repeater key, enhancing efficiency by allowing multiple spaces to be typed with each press. The included manual provides all the guidance you need to master this timeless tool, while the pre-installed ribbon ensures immediate use upon arrival. Customize your writing experience with our easy-to-use margin stops and tabs for precise formatting. Choose between 3 adjustable line spacing options, 1 in, 1 5 in, and 2 in. Perfect for any document layout you desire. Visit us at Beacon Houseware for more great deals of what you need when you need it. Available at beaconhouseware.com.